Hello and welcome back to Homemade Bakes and Drinks, and today I'll be reviewing this new Cadbury's Brownie Mix. And yeah, I picked this up the other day from Asda. I think they're around £2 a minute. You can get the new range in brownies, cookies and a cake mix. So I thought I'd pick the brownies up and give them a taste test really. So let's look at the box. In front of the box says no artificial colours or preservatives, new. Just add egg, water and oil. Make 16 brownies. 3 easy steps. It's the serving suggestion. So let's move on to the back. And this is just a list of stuff you need. 1 medium egg, 75 milliliter or 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a 8x8 brownie tin, and another 5 tablespoons of water and an electric whisker. You'll need to preheat your oven to gas mark 5 and line the brownie tray. And in a jug, just mix together water, oil and egg. We're going to do this in a bowl. Then tap in the brownie mix into the mixing bowl, pour egg, water and using a whisk up. Approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds takes to make this. And then pour into a tray and bake for 25 minutes. So now let's get in this, which I forgot to do. So come on, and I'll move on to actually making this. So it all comes in a nice packet. Yeah, if you like this video anyway, comment below and I'll probably get the cookie mix or the cake mix. But let's see what we do. So we need to add the water, oil and eggs. So I'll do that. So let's start with the water. 5 teaspoons. Probably better add in the mix first. Ooh, it smells like Cadbury's hot chocolate. All in the bowl. And then now we add the water. And then the oil. Now, some of these packet mixers do say to add oil to it. I think it might keep it moist, but I'm not too sure. Finally, crack an egg into that. And give it a good mix. With the whisk. And now it's all mixed. Right. Great. A brownie tin I usually use, and I'll just scoop all this in. It's the first time making the actual brownie packet mix. I usually just bake my own brownies. But yeah, comment below and let me know if you want to see some brownie recipes. This is quite thick. So let's see what this turns out like. I thought I'd been eating 2 tins. It's not a great lot in here. Yeah, I'm trying to get around to doing some product reviews. I just enjoy watching product reviews, especially when baking, come up with ideas. These kits are always good to bake with if you're in a rush or if you've got kids, get them involved. But yeah, I thought I'd try something different, and yeah, I'm going to be uploading some more recipes soon and get around to it. Only troubles is working. I'm trying to measure, juggle some baking in between, but try and definitely do some for Christmas. There we have the brownie mix. So I guess put this in the oven and take it out and then do the all important taste test. So let's put this in for 25 minutes. So I'll see you back in a bit with the finished product. And welcome back. And yeah, I've just took this out and left it to cool for a bit and then transferred it all to this plate. And looking at it so far, seems to have sunk in on itself a bit. Yeah, cut this to the recommended time on there, maybe a minute extra. But yeah, it's seems to have sunk in the middle. Just have a look at this. It does look nice. It smells nice. Now let's try and cut this up. Try and do this neatly. So up close, this is the brownie itself. Looks pretty nice. Turn it on. See, yeah, cooked, but it's nice and gooey inside. So pulls apart. But now, for the all-important taste test. Grab a bite. Definitely tastes nice. Nice crunchy outside and then a gooey inside. But yeah, I'll probably give this another go. Maybe next time put it on. Not put it on for as long, maybe like 20 minutes, 22 minutes or something like that, but it tastes really, really good. And the break apart is perfect just to serve for kids, for a party, or just for you to eat. And yeah, this is my review on these. If I had to give a score out of 10, I'd probably say a 7. Taste is real nice, but the outer appearance probably not as much, but I'll probably give these another go. And yeah, definitely about pick up for £2, why not? And yeah, you can follow my various social media accounts down below. I'll leave some links and let me know if you'd like to see some more of these reviews. I think I might get the Cadbury's cookie one next. I think they're the ones that sound really, really nice. And then they also do cake mix. So, I hope you all enjoy. Leave a comment below and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more baking and reviews. So I'll see you in the next video.